my gosh. Okay, Leighton's back.
Hey.
People have missed you so much.
Not so much, yeah. I missed you guys more.
Leighton got his wisdom teeth out, all 4 of them.
All 4.
And one was like sideways.
Horizontally impacted. So it was like that way. So here we sit in front of a pile of makeup.
We have been wanting to do this video for a while.
There's no time like the present.
There's no time like the present to do this video. So Leighton is going to do my makeup.
I'm nervous.
Why?
Well, I don't
Just
know.
for fun.
I like for the longest time thought that toner was foundation. So like, yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited. I'm
brushes.
so excited.
But even like
Working me.
start with your like.
I prep my skin, so I have like moisturizer.
And like foundation.
No foundation.
Toner? You got the toner on?
Leighton has a few inspiration photos, and none other than our icon, Catriona Gray, Leighton's favorite Miss Universe. So we have a few options here. Like, what's gonna be your inspo?
I don't think it really matters
I'm
what I
gonna
look
show-
at.
there's one.
It's like looking at like a professional painting and like trying to like draw a stick man or something.
This one's like a more natural with like kind of orange, like orangey,
I don't think
glowy.
it really matters. What do we start with?
I don't think I'm supposed to tell you. I think the challenge is
Are
like.
you kidding? What's this?
It's in a different language.
Oh, like am I not? Is it focusing?
It doesn't matter.
Do I put it on my hand and then put it on you? Or just right on your face?
One. You can use this.
I think you gotta do that. Oh, nice. This is where we start. Or you just freaking like watch it around. Like you're gonna with it. Oh my god. Is this what you do?
Yeah, that's what you do.
This is definitely a little darker.
Yeah.
It's bad. It's really bad. It's really bad.
Good. You know, oh yes, good job,
Nice.
baby. Nice.
I think it's time to move on to the eyes.
Things are taking a dramatic turn.
Oh, it's
That's
mascara.
mascara, jeez.
Well, it's time.
Oh, thank you.
We got the old nudies matte over bronze color. It's not in focus. Focus! What does this do? Oh, nice. Does it go on your lips? It looks like it would go on your lips. Does it have instructions? A multitasking bump to create warm bronze. Oh, it's on your face, eyes, and lips. Oh, it's dual-ended. Oh my god! Fucking.
He's turning me into the poop emoji.
It's gonna be okay. I'm just gonna have to blend it.
That's right.
I'm gonna have to blend it. Oh yeah, this is really working now. You're trying to do like that, what's it called, like a highlight or something? Or like trying to make your nose look skinnier or something. So your under eyes look very white, I think.
Oh really?
I'll try to look up.
He's putting bronze on my under eyes.
Oh, they need to be bronze, they're too pale.
Thanks, baby.
Old Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Holy f***, I didn't think it was gonna open up that way.
Should I curl my eyelashes?
Oh yeah, I need to do that first.
Okay, how about I do it?
No, I'm gonna do it.
No, I'm better.
No, it's okay.
No, it's honestly like risky, like I don't know.
I'll be gentle.
No.
Oh my god, no. Hit the mode.
Almost all makeup artists get you to color your own eyelashes.
Really?
Yeah, because it's very easy to pinch. Be careful. I'm scared. Okay. Okay.
Alright, you gotta put yourself together. What? Can't have you moving around. Oh, I did it, kinda.
Oh god, just got it.
Does there need to be like more stuff on here? Oh, Jesus! Let's just use this for a second. Like in this area? I don't know why I keep asking you questions. I feel like it should go on this part of your cheek. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. You look like a 50s glam girl. Alright, we need to pull up the picture. I don't know.
Pull up the inspo. Oh wait, we're doing this one?
Oh, I didn't do a very good job.
I feel like...
Oh,
my...
I'm sorry.
It's okay, I wasn't paying attention either. It's okay. Oh, it's making it worse. Okay, wait here. Oh no.
Yeah, it's bad. Oh, I clumped it on there. I really did. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's okay.
I don't know what's happening, but...
It's gonna smooth it out a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just a really different shade under your eyes now.
I'm a raccoon.
Yeah, you kinda are. Alright, that's like an egg of some sort.
It's a beauty blender.
Oh, it's an egg. Oh yeah. Oh, it's really doing it.
It's so cute she's putting it on.
We got the old Charlotte Tilbury. The old CT mix. Like one of these, maybe?
Yep. All options if you have them.
Oh, top right.
Oh my god.
Close your eyes. Here it comes. Oh, nice. Yeah, there's a lot. It's way too much. Oh, it's bad. I'm trying to do like the wingtip. Oh, nice. Open up. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's good.
What you doing?
There's like a lot of stuff you gotta do to your face though. Like,
Oh god,
like,
there's so much.
so I just do like different shades on different eyes.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's my left hand. Oh no. Oh yeah.
Oh no!
Oh no! Lily, I'm sorry, I should close it again. Oh man. So what do you do with your eye? Or, like, can I just put mascara in your eyebrows? Is that normal? I think that'd make them thicker. Whoa. Oh yeah, here we go. I don't know what to do with my hands.
It's okay, do what you gotta do.
Little cross. Oh, nice. I did such a bad job at the eyeshadow. It's really bad. Okay, I need like, I don't know, this. Does this be fun on your eyes?
Sure.
It needs to be like less of what it is.
Like a wheeze. Oh, you love it?
Yeah. Uncomfortable?
What do I do?
I don't know. I feel like you have to have your mouth open, I guess. There you go. That's good. Yeah, that's it. That's it, I think.
Is that ever done?
Yeah, I don't know. I just don't want to make any. Yeah, that's it.
Well, I think that was fun. It was probably more fun for us than it was for you because I had a good laugh.
I feel really embarrassed. Like,
no.
I thought I had a better understanding at least of what.
It's hard. If you do makeup, it's hard.
Yeah.
What was the hardest part?
Like, my hands are so shaky, it seems. But like, I hold them like this and like.
They're steady.
Yeah, steady. But I'm actually like with the mascara and then like the lipstick, it was.
Is it just like knowing what products to use? Probably?
Oh, yeah, well that too, obviously.
Okay, and just to know like normally, so if I were doing it, you just get used to doing things like a certain way. So I would do mascara last. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. It was a fun experiment for us. It was fun.
You can do my makeup next time.
Yeah, next time I'll do his makeup. If you want to see me do his makeup, definitely comment below because it's gonna take some persuading is what I'm trying to say. So we'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, don't forget.
Don't forget. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, it's so bad. It's so bad. Oh, it's bad. Oh my god.